like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Hello, my wonderful, beautiful subscriber. How are you doing today? I hope you are feeling good because I'm feeling good today. I'm feeling really wonderful and awesome. So I hope you are feeling good and awesome too. And if you are not, you will be feeling good and awesome after this video. All right. I'm so excited. Welcome here. Welcome to all of you. Welcome to my now subscriber and welcome to my new subscribers. Welcome to my returning subscribers. I just want to say I'm so grateful. I am so excited to every single one of you that has been coming here. I'm happy for you. I'm so grateful. I appreciate you. And I pray that God, the same hand that you are using to subscribe to this page, to like my page, to comment here, I pray that those hands will never run dry. I pray that this your time that you are using here to watch these videos will not go in vain. Those times will be greatly rewarded in Jesus' name. All right. I just want to say I'm excited. Today we are going to talk about how to manifest anything you want using music. Yes, music, right? Today we'll manifest using music, the law of attraction and metaphysics. We are going to use that to attract anything you want. All right. Normally, when you are playing music, okay, when your music is on, is playing, you are dancing, you are happy, you are in the mood, everything is going good, you are just excited. I want you at that moment to start to visualize what you want. I want you to start to visualize the good things that you want. All right. I want you in that moment to begin to think and imagine yourself getting the desires of your heart, getting the breakthroughs that you want, getting the miracles that you want. Don't play a music that is going to keep you down and sad. Don't play such music that is going to make you start to remember people that did you wrong, and people that made you sad, people that make you angry. Don't play such music. Don't play that kind of music. Find some music that is uplifting, music that make you happy, music that make you dance. You understand? That is the kind of music you should find to play, all right? When it's playing, because sometimes it can take like 2 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes. Use that time to imagine yourself and visualize yourself doing the happy things, getting the things that you want, the desires of your heart. Most of the time I do that. Most of the time I play music. Sometimes just before coming here, I was playing music. I was dancing. I was excited. So play music. Visualize yourself. Imagine yourself getting the things you want. Play your music and dance. Good music. Music that have words that will impact your life. Music that have good wordings in it. That is making you to be excited. For me, if I can play worship music, some good Christian worship music make me excited, but I don't know which music make you excited. So whichever music make you happy, that have words that encourage you, play those ones. For me, I like to play my gospel music that is very interesting. Just earlier today, I was playing a gospel artist that was very, very exciting for my soul. All right. So play music that make you excited, that make you happy. Visualize your things, all right? Visualize the good things you want, the wonderful things. If it's a house, if it's a car, if it's your husband, if it's a marriage that you need, as you are dancing, imagine you dancing. If it's a house you want, imagine you dancing in that house. If it's a husband you want, imagine you and that husband dancing together, living in your house happily. If it's a child you want, imagine you hugging your child or whatever you want while playing that music that you like. If it's a peace you want, imagine yourself out, peaceful, happy, enjoying your life with happy people and just doing good things, if that is what you want. So when the music is playing, is in the middle of the music, start to visualize and imagine the good and wonderful things that you want, okay? So that was the quick short message I just wanted to come to here to you, bring to you today, because I want you to imagine things, visualize the things when your music is playing. When the music is playing, imagine the things you want, visualize them, not things you want in the past, not things that happened in the past, but things that you want to happen in the future, things that you want in the presence. Those are the things that you should start to visualize. All right. I don't want you to go and start thinking, oh, this person hurt me, and then the music is playing and then you are sitting and plotting on how to hurt the person, how to harm them, all those kind of things. I don't want you to visualize such things. You visualize your future and the things you want to happen. Those are the things you are going to visualize when your music is playing. Don't visualize angry things that will make you angry, because at that place now you are playing the music that is increasing and lifting you up and making you happy from the inside. So those are the kind of music I want you to play that will help you to be energized from the inside. All right, at that time you can manage to manifest and think about the things you want to do. Also, another thing, again, you can visualize yourself when you are about to sleep in the night. You can get up and say beautiful words to yourself in the morning when you wake up. Go to your mirror, start to talk the great things to yourself. Start to tell yourself, I'm beautiful, I'm fit, I'm fearfully and wonderfully made. I tell myself great things. So, I don't know, tell yourself the things that you want yourself to be. Tell yourself wonderful things. Stand in front of the mirror. Look in the mirror for like 2 minutes. All right, or if you can, maybe 1 minute. The minute you start to feel yourself getting nervous, at that moment I want you to begin to speak to yourself, begin to talk great things to yourself, begin to speak into your life the great things you want. All right, that's another way of how to manifest things into your life. Again, another way you can manifest your dreams into your life is when you're about to go to bed, when you're about to sleep. Lie down on your pillow when everyone is gone to bed. When you have children, they are sleeping, your spouse, everyone is in their bed. You are quiet in the night. All right, at that time I want you to lie down in your bed just before sleeping. All right, if it's money you want to manifest, imagine yourself collecting money, walking down in that street, in that place, going to that bank, into that vault, and packing money, packing money into your bag. Pack as much money as you can until you fall asleep, if that is what you want to manifest. Keep packing money just while you are lying on your pillow, just before sleeping. Imagine yourself walking down into that bank, into that vault, packing that money, packing into the white building. The inside is blue, and then the vault is sitting there. You open the vault, all the money is inside there, and you just packing the money, packing until you fall asleep. Another way you can visualize, you can manifest, visualize, and get things you want before going to sleep is you can also picture yourself, all the good things that you want to have. You can do that in the night just before sleeping. You start to picture those things. You start to speak them to yourself. I will get the best of the dreams, the best cars, the best houses, the best of anything I want. In fact, as I'm going to bed now, I'm going to get information. If it's job you are looking for, if it's husband, if it's wife, whatever you are looking for, that now you start to talk to yourself that I am going to get a dream that will show me, detailed dream that is going to reveal to me things that I need to know about this job that I'm looking for. I'm going to get now detailed dreams on things that are going to teach me on how to get this job that I'm looking for, this husband that I'm looking for, this wife that I'm looking for, this child that I'm looking for, this house, this car, whatever it is that you are looking for. As you are going to sleep, you are praying in your heart, all right, that God is going to give you the dream, reveal the things in your dream that will help you to get those things, because all these things, none of it can be possible without God, without Jesus, without the Holy Ghost. All right, I believe in that. I believe in the power of God. I believe in his work. I believe the miracle that he can do. I know what he can do. I have seen it manifest 100 times and more in my life. So we don't manifest anything and leave God behind. We cannot try to think about, oh, we want to manifest, we want to get the great things without him. All right, some people can do that, but in this place, on this channel, we believe in God. We try to manifest with the power of God. All right, so that's what we are going to do here. I pray that as you do this, that the Lord that made heaven and earth, he will help you. He will give you strength. He will give you the desires of your heart, everything that you wish for, everything that you need, everything that you have ever dreamt of is going to come to pass as you follow this channel, as you are following me here, as you are liking and commenting and subscribing to my page, that your life will never remain the same. Changes are coming into your life. I'm here, my friend. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my page for more interesting contents coming up. All right. If you like this content, if you like what I'm teaching, don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like. All right. I love you very much. If you need someone to talk to, I can be your counselor. I can be your preacher. I can be your friend. Anything you want to do. If any information, any question you have, write it down in the description. I am going to come here and call you. I will contact you personally. You can take 30 minutes of my time and talk to me and say whatever you want to say. We can talk about, we can brainstorm on stuff. So just, yeah, that's that. That's it. That's it. Look in the description box. I have so many other videos, interesting messages. I want you to watch them. I want you to binge watch my content. Like it, follow the instructions there, do the rituals there, and watch how your life is going to change. All right, believe God. This is your year. The Christmas is coming and wonderful things are coming up. You will not end up broke in this Christmas, and God is going to carry us into the new year great and mighty in Jesus Christ's mighty and holy name. Stay blessed, my friends. Stay safe. I love you. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Clap from me. Don't forget to give me a like. Hey.